Hey YouTube, we're here today at Pete Aardema's shop, and you're going to see his machinist Kevin Braun preparing some camshaft blanks for the new 2-liter motor that they are making out of billet material. These are just blanks, but this is, if you're ever interested in seeing how this is done, you're going to see here just in a moment how they're using solid material and preparing the blanks before they're ground. So here you see Kevin working on the lathe, and he's cutting out the lobe segments on each individual component of the cam. As you can see, Kevin's wearing ear protection. This would not be a pleasant sound to listen to all day. That humming, grinding on the lathe could get to you after a while. And just for reference, this is what they look like before he starts cutting out the camshaft lobe segments, solid material, which will then eventually end up looking like this, what we're familiar with, camshaft. So there you go, folks. That's how Kevin does it. Thanks again for watching, and if you haven't already, please check out Pete Aardema's overhead cam flathead Ford conversion motor. This thing is pretty interesting. It's in the library below. Stay tuned, and we'll bring you some more cool stuff from Pete Aardema and Kevin Braun soon.